Today, we're all going to step out of our comfort zone and we're going to make lion's mane tincture with me. Rebels Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And, we can all use more of the old ways these days. Thanks. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. I forgot to show you this before I cut it up, but this is lion's mane mushroom in a jar, and I'm going to make a tincture. No, I'm not that brave. I didn't go out and cut the mane of a real lion. That is the name of a certain mushroom that can be found around here in the fall. So I went ahead and cut the lion's mane mushroom up into thin sliced pieces, about, half an inch thick or smaller, making more surface area for my alcohol to act as a solvent on the mushrooms and extract all of that goodness I need out of them. And so there I go. I'm pouring it, and then we're going to go ahead and debubble this a little bit and then add more alcohol to make sure that it's covered. For these extracts, you're going to want an 80 to 100 proof alcohol. If you can get 100 proof, that's even better. I used an off-brand vodka. I used a butter knife to debubble, but you could use a chopstick or that special little canning tool if you have one hanging around. I can never find the one that came with a set that I was given. But I'm just going around debubbling and then adding more of the vodka until the mushrooms are covered. And there you have it. This has been setting for a couple of days, and you can see it's already starting to turn colors. I'm shaking it every day to make sure the mushrooms stay covered with the liquor. And I am going to let it set for 6 weeks, and then it's ready to use after I strain it and put it in little tincture dropper bottles. Like this 4-ounce one I got at the health food store for $1.10. But what you can do is stay tuned for part 2, because I'm going to show you how to get the water soluble particles out of here too. Goodness. So stay tuned for part 2, Rebel Canners. For more in my home apothecary series, check out this playlist. If you don't want to miss part 2, be sure you're subscribed. You've got the notification bell rung so you'll know when I've got the video made. Thanks for watching, Rebel Canners.